Hi there, beautiful people. How is it going? I hope everything is going fine, and I'm doing fantastic by the grace of God. Work is okay. Today, I'm gonna cook a special vegetable, which is one of my very favorite vegetable, and I take it with paratha or bread, whatever you would say. But this vegetable is my very favorite, and I fond of cooking this type of vegetables every day, and it make me feel so good. I mean, I'm quite excited and very fond of cooking food, and it's a kind of art, isn't it? Cooking food or baking or making any kind of food at home by myself, it makes me feel always good and it is healthy. And I don't prefer taking food in the restaurant or out there. It is not it's not good at all for our health. That's why I prefer making food by myself at home, and I love to do it. I'm very much passionate about cooking food actually. Don't get me wrong, but I'm really fond of chopping or cooking, whatever you say. You could see that I am chopping onion, and I also chop already potato and pumpkin, everything, and I will mix all these vegetables, and I will cook a special delicious tasty vegetable. And I just take this vegetable with paratha or bread, and it just wonderful, and taste is something else I can't express with words. It's amazing. I will mix all the vegetables and put all these vegetables in rice cooker, and then I will make it within 20 or 30 minutes. Maybe it takes only 20 to 25 minutes. And here I am adding everything which is needed to make this curry. I think this is one of the easiest curry I have ever made. Like, I chop everything and put everything in this rice cooker, and it just everything just happened very fast, and the taste is like amazing. I can't express my feelings with words. Yeah, you can see the color of this vegetable. It looks so delicious, and now you can see finally I'm the the end of this video actually. And here you can see the final look of this curry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for supporting me.